Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows error code, and you can see this number. It means you have to update your Windows, and usually it's all about your a troubleshoot with your email. So this is, for example, we couldn't find your settings error blah 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 in mail for Windows. Sometimes adding Gmail account for to mail for Windows to read error message, fortunately, is an easy fix. So this is the the resume how you can fix it by adding a Gmail account to your Windows mail. So this is the understanding the cost behind this error. This one, this is very common issues. Outdated mail app. So your mail app might be outdated, which is causing some its feature to act up. The solution is very easy and simple. All that you need to do is update the application to get it up and running again. So you can modify your privacy security settings by go to the settings. So I'm using this Windows 11, maybe similar with Windows 10. Some feature here. Here, let app access your email. Try to switch this on. And also update the mail and calendar app. Here's another fix that worked for user was updating the mail and calendar application. So please free to try, and I will add this a link direct link into description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next